Welcome to our automation testing channel. Today I will talk about a Playwright Debugger. Debugger tests user inspector, trace view, and logs. Identify fields faster with a step-by-step replay. Fix Flaky tests. Use proper debugging tools. What is Playwright Debugging? Playwright provides built-in debugging tools. Poor execution inspector locates. Replay test step visually. Analyze network, domain, and console logs. How to use inspect? Option 1 debugger model. Type this command in the terminal. Option 2 add a breakpoint in the coding. Put the await page to pull. Future and description. Step execution. Run line by line. Locate picker. Auto-generate selector. Highlight elements. View domain debugging. Console access. Debugger.js in browser. Trace view. Post-execution debugging. Record for test execution. Allow replay of each step. Show domain, network, console. Screenshots and videos for debugging. In a config file, use this as a screenshot set only on field. Video return on field. After run, the test results right here. If a field, the screenshot. If field, this is a video. This is for the trace view. Common debugging technicals. Here is technical. Here is use. Page.pause, immediately inspection. Trace viewer. Post field analyze, console logs, debugger variable, await inspector, validate state, network tape, API issues. Common issues and fix. General common issues elements not found. This is probably the user wrong or incorrect locator. So go to the web page, find the web elements, and get a correct locate. Another is when your application update and the web elements change. So this is need recode this process or get a new coding for this process. Flaky test. General for the web elements. Sometimes it's a test pass, sometimes it's fail. Because this is loading, need time, so give when the web elements be visible and do operation, can fix this issue. Another is a timeout, time issue. When the execution time process too longer and generate fail, so give the timeout or go to the config file, give more timeout for each step or for each operation. Let's look at the config file. Here is the setting. You see this is a use block, and here is the video set, return on the field, and the screenshot only on the field, and also trace, return on the field. And also here we can see the timeout. You can set each option or like the inspection timeout. Okay, I will run this test. I have the use the 3 browser for the testing. I'll run another test. I use the debugger right now. You see here is open the page, also open inspect. So when you click each of the step and will run the test. You see here is the run field. Let me see the inspection. Wait page, and here is go to this one, and let me see. This is login, and here is fill. So this is a step coding. You can follow each of the step, and you can run it. You see here pass. For this test is pass. Okay, you see not pass, and we go to the here. You can find the field something, the reason. Like here is the field. So go to this here, the coding. Is here is you see here is expected field because the page this test I add extra s. So this is a field because access text is not equal to this test. So field. You go to the test here. You can see here is test results. You can find the different screen. You see here is a video and a trace. You can see this one, and here is a screenshot for one of this one. But for my test is fill for another data. Yeah, for another data. From debugging, we find this is a field. So here is like a page have this is add golf courses. I add extra s, so that is the field for this one. And you can see here is a field, should take a screenshot. So go to here is find a screenshot. You see here is no extra s, so give this is run. And if I put the back to this one, I delete one s and run again. You see here is a pass. So this is how to use the built-in debugging tool for Playwright tester. Thank you for watching the video. Hope today's content can help you. If you want to follow our updates, please subscribe. See you next time.